Hi, my name is Bobby An. I'm with Zoom, and we're here at InfoComm 2026 here at our Zoom booth. This section here is our Zoom hardware partner ecosystem area, and what we're showing here today is a new announcement where we are running the Zoom room as a native Zoom room here on our Cisco hardware. So we have a Cisco Desk Pro G2. If we look over this way, we have a Cisco Roombar Pro up here. Coming down, we have the Cisco Room Navigator running the native Zoom Room controller application, and the Cisco Room Kit Pro right below that. Moving over here, we've got a few other of our hardware partners. This over here is a Poly G62 Zoom Rooms appliance, modular codec, the Jabra Panicast video bar, and also new is finally the Neat Board 32 all-in-one touchscreen Zoom room from Neat. So this here is some of the partners that we're showcasing here at InfoComm. You can find out more at www.zoom.com.